Hello everyone, hope you have enjoyed my previous video. Now in this video we will discuss about another poem, The Rebel, which is obviously you have in your NCERT book. Now this poem is taken from the poem The Rebel by D.G. Enright. Now first of all we have to know what do we mean by the word rebel. It means a person who does not follow any rules, rather does not go with the society norms. Rebel here is actually not an unsocial person in a society, but a young adolescent who is trying to be different from others. So let's go through the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. So in these lines, what does the poet wants to tell? If the rebel notices persons keeping short hair, he will obviously do the opposite by keeping the hair long. Similarly, when people around are keeping their hair short, according to the poet, the rebel here, through his or her attitude, enjoys by going against all. He derives pleasure and satisfaction. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. So when he watches everybody talking about a particular lesson, he keeps himself shut, making the environment awkward. And when everybody remains silent, he started speaking suddenly and constantly, disturbing the total situation. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. The rebel here always wants to depict himself smart and different from others. So when everybody else is wearing a uniform, he suddenly dressed himself up in a colorful dress to make himself different. And when all people around are in a colorful dresses, he or she wears a uniform to make himself or herself unique in the society. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. So here, when the rebel finds himself in the company of the dog lovers, he prefers the company of cats and vice versa. So in this manner, he or she makes the people around uncomfortable. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is getting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. So not only in the above instances, even when people enjoy sun in a sunny weather, the rebel prefers rain. And when people used to enjoy the rain, he misses the sun and wishes to have a sunny weather. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. So rebels generally prefer to be alone. So when everybody go out for a meeting, he stays at home in the company of books. And when the others stay at home, he goes to the meeting. When everybody says, yes please, the rebel says, no thank you. When everybody says, no thank you, the rebel says, yes please. So these lines speak about another characteristic trait of a rebel. When people agrees to something, the rebel denies it. It is impossible to make a rebel agree. So when someone says no, the rebel says yes, and vice versa. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. Sometimes it is good to be in the company of rebels, as they help us to find the differences in a particular matter. But society generally is not ready any time to accept such rebels, as they may arise to conflict, hindrances in day-to-day practices. Now, today we will also discuss some of the important questions of this poem according to your NCERT syllabus. So, here are some of the questions. For example, question number 1. If someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? The answer will be the teacher will scold the student and the student may be punished. So this is very obvious. When you will not wear your uniform and go to the school, you may get remarks in your notebook or the teacher may scold you or punish you accordingly. Now the next question. The next question is, when everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? The answer will be, when everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel will want a cloudy sky. So this is very obvious, as whatever the person will wish to have, the rebel will always want it in an opposite manner. The next question is, if the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? So answer is, if the rebel has a dog for a pet, obviously the other people will have cats as pet or any other pets. It is very clear that whatever the pets the people are having, the rebel will always have something else, not according to the other people. Why is it good to have rebels is the next question. The answer will be, rebels make the society active enough. They teach us to accept and respect differences among people's thoughts. So, whenever there is some reasons prevailing in the society, rebels, according to their nature, always give their opinions just opposite to the decisions prevailing. So, in this manner, rebels make us clear about the differences prevailing in the society. Now, the next question is, why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? It is not good to be a rebel oneself because society in every phases of life, they need some time to accept a rebel. Sometimes may come when the rebel may or may not be accepted by the society. It is the nature of the society to always criticize the behavior of a rebel. Okay, now let's find in the poem antonym of some of the words. For example, long. The antonym of long is short. Then grow. Antonym of grow according to the poem is cut. Quietness, disturbance. Sober, antonym is fantastic. Antonym of lost is found. So, you have got an overall idea of the meaning of the poem along discussions with some question answer. Thank you for watching the video. We will get back to you with any other topic in the next video.